Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. Today we're going to make some calabasitas. What is that? It's kind of like a Mexican vegetable dish. All right, and then after we make the calabasitas, we're going to make some calabasitas tacos. Look at that. What do you think of that? Fried tacos. You can do the soft shell if you want. Let me show you how I made these and we'll come back and we'll do a taste test. All right, first thing we got to do is get some olive oil in there. About 3 tablespoons. We're going to use some onion. We're going to use, you can use either zucchini or crookneck squash. Since I grow crookneck in my garden, we're going to use some crookneck. Salt and pepper to taste. We're going to use some Roma tomatoes from the garden. We're going to use some green chilies. Get our green chilies in there at the same time. We're going to add in some fire roasted corn from a can. And I don't have any fresh garlic, so we're going to use some garlic. A good spoonful of garlic. Maybe 2. Can't have enough. All right, I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit. Put a cover on this and let it cook for 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, we ended up going about 6 minutes on low. They're just right at the right texture. They're not too soft, not too hard. So I'm going to turn this off, move it to the side, and get my pan heated up for the tacos and make some tacos. That's right, Calabasitas Tacos. It's time to get these tacos going. Take the lid off of that. There's my oil. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, these are going to go fast. Okay, get some calabasitas in there. Whoopsie. This is going fast. I can use a fork to help save my fingers a little bit. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for right there. Nice. Now you can do these soft, hard, however you like. And you can even put cheese in your calabasitas. You can use tortilla cheese, any other Mexican cheese that you like, or even, of course, my favorite is Chihuahua cheese. It's a nice melty kind of quesadilla cheese. I have right here that we're going to put inside of these before we eat them. All right, I'm going to get these done and be back in a sec. All right, pretty easy, right? And I'll tell you what, with the price of beef these days and everybody's gardens, that people that are gardening that have a lot of zucchini, you can make this with zucchini, the yellow crookneck, and end up with a plate like this. Got a little dark spot on that one. End up with a little plate like this. We even have calabasitas as a side dish along with some Spanish rice. And well, let's just taste the calabasitas first. There you go. I gotta tell you, this isn't something I made up. This is something that's actually served at restaurants here, at least in New Mexico. The chili pot is one of them. All right, so let's get a taste. Oh, I did fill these up with Chihuahua cheese. All right, here we go. That is hot. Heat hot, not spicy hot. I do have the spice from the green chilies. You could add, if you don't want to use or have green chilies, you can use jalapenos, serranos, or your favorite pepper. I'll tell you what, with the beef prices today, these are fantastic. If you're a vegetarian, even better. All right. Thanks for checking this out. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to Tortilla Takeover. Hopefully I'll see you on the next video.
That's what I like.